Hi there! So a lot of you have been consistently asking me to make a long-term review of the Mi TV Horizon Edition, so here it is. Now I've been using it for over 2 months now, and there are a couple of things that makes it stand out from the rest. Let me share my experiences, what's good, what could be better, so you can decide if it's a worthy buy or not. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. I've also made an unboxing and full review video. I highly recommend you watch them. Links for that video will be in the description. So the Horizon Edition has a new design, a lot thinner than its predecessor and almost bezel-less. Design-wise, it's actually good, clean and simple. The port placement of the previous Mi TV 4A 43-inch was better as all the ports were on one side. On the Horizon Edition, some ports are on the side while some are behind. However, the most often used ones like HDMI and USB are on the side, so should be fine. Talking about the display, it has a full HD VA panel and the good thing is its color signature. It's not oversaturated and it's extremely easy on the eyes. You know when you go to that TV store and you see TV stacked on the wall, we automatically get attracted to the one with more saturated and vivid colors. And that's kind of obvious. But only after a few days of use do you realize that more the natural colors are, the better the viewing experience. And that's where the Mi TV gets it right. Bright, clear, colorful and more tuned to look real. Viewing angles are good even if you're sitting diagonally at 45 degrees. But when you move further, you can notice a slight shift in color. But I don't think it would matter so much. It's something most people won't even notice. It's that small. I've also observed some TVs that get dark patches in the corners. It's usually because of lack of backlight in that spot. But on the Mi TV, the images are evenly lit. On the display front, the Mi TV Horizon Edition is really good. Now, the biggest thing that makes me come back to the Mi TV is the Patchwall experience, especially the new version 3.4.1. The full screen carousel is a treat to the eyes. In fact, I choose to keep Patchwall as a default launcher. It shows all the apps you have installed. It has content from over 23 content partners. Browsing and discovering new content is super fun. It's something you have to experience. It even has a dedicated row for Netflix with your profile and some movies. Content is divided into tabs, movies, kids, sports, TV shows, music, and the collection is huge. There is also a live news tab. It's simple one-click access live news. The options though are limited now, but you have Hindi news, English news, and one regional news. There is so much more to explore here. Patchwall is one huge perk with the Mi TV. No one has anything like that, trust me. Then we have the quick wake feature which was introduced along with the Horizon Edition. Press the power key and the TV goes into standby mode. Press it again and it wakes up in under 5 seconds. Unlike before where the TV would shut down and boot all over again, which would take a really long time. Now this ain't new. Many other Android TVs already have this, but finally it's nice to see this on the new Mi TVs. You also get all the apps you need from the Google Play Store thanks to the Android TV 9 OS. Popular apps like Netflix and Prime Videos also come pre-installed. I've been using them a lot. You also get shortcut keys for them on the remote. Comes pretty handy. So Netflix as usual is a breeze. Smooth sailing all the way. Prime Videos, however, is a mess. It takes a while to boot. It takes a while to start streaming. It works but needs work. But that's not something Xiaomi has control over. We have to wait for the Amazon team to make this app work better on all Android TVs. I've tested other OTT apps like Hotstar, Sony Live, Z5 and they all worked without any hiccup. So when it comes to the performance, it's actually quite well optimized. Even though it has only 1GB RAM, I had no problem switching between apps, scrolling through Patchwall or the Android TV interface. However, I would have loved to see 1.5 or 2GB RAM, but even with 1GB, it's performing really well. The Mi TV also comes with data saver mode, ideal for those who stream content on their TVs using their mobile hotspot. Now that's a huge chunk of our smart TV users. Turning it on lets them stream 3 times more with a little lower quality. You can also set data alerts up to 100 MB, 500 MB or 1 GB. I personally haven't used it, but a friend of mine who uses it at his holiday home where he has no Wi-Fi connection, so mobile data to the rescue. He confirmed it comes very handy to keep tab on your data consumption. It's great. Now let's talk about something that I think should have been better. So when I got my first Mi TV, the Mi TV 4A 43-inch, I was blown away how good this sounded. Even though I was using Sony and LG, the sound in comparison was terrific. But that was like 2 years ago. Now the Horizon Edition sound is surely better than the previous Mi TV, but the competition has much better to offer. There are many TVs now that come with 30 to 40 watt built-in soundbars, and without a doubt they are better. But again, they lack some of the features that Mi TV offers. The 20 watt downfiring speakers on the Mi TV Horizon Edition are good, but not the best. Rest, you have Chromecast support to cast content from supported apps, but that will need a dedicated Wi-Fi connection to work. I've tested it enough and it works seamlessly. But the good thing is now you also get Miracast support, so you can mirror Android phones even without a Wi-Fi connection. So you can play local content from your phone without any lag, or actually minimal lag, and it's pretty good. It also comes with Bluetooth support, so you can connect Bluetooth gamepads, wireless headphones. I've tested it enough and it works pretty well. The Mi TV Horizon Edition is probably the easiest to recommend 43-inch smart TV. Of course, it's not perfect. I still want to see that mute button on the remote. I've been waiting for a very long time, hopefully soon. Maybe a little more RAM and internal storage would be great, but all that would be nitpicking and not cons. For $23,499, it definitely has more to offer. There will be cheaper options, some even with better audio, but Mi TV has the Patchwall interface, data saver mode, Miracast, something you won't see in any other. I'll leave the links of the Mi TV Horizon Edition in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.